this video we are going to learn two concepts, that is distance formula and section formula. But in this video we are going to focus mainly on the section formula and what is the need of section formula. For that, consider these two town A and B. We know the position of this town, that is its coordinate of town. The coordinate of town A are 2 and 3 and B are 5 and 4. Now postal department want to place the post box in between these two town such that distance AP is twice of distance PB, means AP is equal to twice BP. Therefore, AP upon BP is equal to 2:1. Therefore, the ratio of AP is to PB is equal to 2:1, which indicates that the distance between AB is divided into three equal parts. Then two part will be towards the A and one part will be towards the B from the point P. Our main aim to find the coordinates of point P. Let that point coordinates of point P is xy. So let us start with x. X coordinate of A is 2 and x coordinate of B is 5. Looking at the ratio 2:1, we can observe that we need to find x in such a way that if the distance between 2 and 5 divides into 3 equal parts, then two parts will be towards 2, that is x coordinate of A, and one part will be towards 5, that is x coordinate of B, and this can be done only by the point 4 on the x-axis. Therefore, value of x coordinate of point P is 4. We can observe that the distance between 2 and 5 divide in the ratio 2:1 by the 4. Let us repeat the same procedure for y-axis as well. Y coordinate of A is 3, y coordinate of B is 6. Point 5 on the y-axis follows the ratio 2:1. So the value of y coordinate is 5. Therefore we got the coordinates 4, 5 for the point P. As the ratio is too small, we divide the distance between that point is 2 plus 1, that is 3 equal parts to locate the point P. But it is very difficult for the big ratios like 10:15. If I want to divide that distance into the 25 parts to locate the coordinates of given point. Now locating the coordinate by this way for the big ratio is very difficult. So to understand this, we required some mathematical trick which will help us for big ratios as well. So let us start with the x-axis. Let us try to find the trick for getting the value of x as a 4 used in the given example for the given values. Observe, multiply first part of a ratio, that is 2, with the x coordinate of point B, that is 5, and we will then multiply the second part of a ratio, that is 1, with the x coordinate of first point A, that is therefore 2:1, that is 2. Now divide it by the sum of the component of ratio, that is by 3. So you will get 12/3 equal to 4. Similarly, repeat the same step for the y-axis to get the value of y equal to 4 for the given values. So multiply first part of the ratio, that is 2, with the y coordinate of point B, that is 6, therefore 2:6. Multiply second part of a ratio, that is 1, with the y coordinate of first point, that is 3. Now 12 plus 3 divided by the sum of the two components, that is 2 plus 1, 3. Therefore 15/3 equal to 5. Got the coordinates by this trick of the point P as 4/4 and 5. Now its formula is applicable for any ratio big or small, and we generate the formula by this trick, that is called as nothing but the section formula. Point A x1 y1 and point B as x2 y2, and the ratio m is to n. First component of the ratio, that is m, into the x coordinate of second point, that is x2. Therefore m into x2 plus second component n into the x coordinate of first point x1 upon addition of component, that is m plus n. This is the x coordinate of point P. Same for the y coordinate, that is m1 into y2 plus n into y1, okay, upon addition of component, that is m plus n, is equal to, this is, therefore the coordinates of point P xy is given by the formula called as a section formula. By using section formula, we can find another formula that is called as a midpoint formula. Means the point P divides AB in the ratio 1:1, as it is a midpoint. Therefore m equal to 1 and n equal to 1. Putting these values in the section formula, we will get the new formula for finding directly midpoint of given point, that is xy is equal to x2 plus x1 upon 2, y2 plus y1 upon 2. That is only the addition of x coordinate divided by 2 and y coordinate is addition of y coordinate divided by 2. Both are very important formula. So dear student, do the study and thank you for watching the video, and we will see the derivation of section formula in next video. Thank you very much.